But if you close your eyes,
you guys, it's your boy Rudy B Swave here, back with another video. Hope you're having a great day today, because I know I am. Anyways, what you guys are watching is some gameplay of Hardcore Search and Destroy with part of my squad. It's part of my squad, I guess. Anyways, without further ado, let's get on with the video. The topic for today is, what do you guys want me to talk about in my videos? I was thinking of some like life stories once in a while. I could tell you guys like tips on games. Comment down below what you guys want me to talk about. I've been trying to get some ideas from my friends, but most of them just said be yourself and do some open lobbies and play with them. I was like, maybe later in the future, you know. When I get really big, when I get at least like 100 subscribers, I'll do it. Oh, and I got another suggestion, is live streaming in Twitch. I was like, oh man, I have shitty internet. Well, that's not happening. Maybe when I move my rooms, I will, but not for now on. Nah, I can't do it. Oh, and also, thank you guys for all the support you guys gave me on my last video. It really means a lot to me. Like, you guys don't even know. Thanks for all the subscribers and likes you guys gave me and commented down below. Oh, that was great. And if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button, and if you want more, if you want to see more content, please hit that subscribe button. And that is it for today, you guys. Rudy B Swave is out. Peace.
Protect the objective.